When you hear fungi, you probably think of mushrooms, but fungi includes yeast and molds too. Fungi are eukaryotes just like animals, and unlike plants, they are non-phototrophic, so they cannot get energy from the sun. As the chart shows, fungi are very similar to animals and plants, but they are in a kingdom all their own. Fungi are made of branched, thread-like filaments called hyphae. A massive hyphae is called the mycelium. Mycelium helps the fungus take up a lot of surface area, which helps it feed. The mycelium is very dense. Cell walls are made of chitin, a polysaccharide which is also found in crustaceans and arthropods. How does a fungus eat? They absorb the nutrients they need by releasing enzymes that break down food before they can absorb it. They are like inside-out stomach. Most fungi are decomposers, which help return nutrients back to the soil. They are also called saprophytes, and they feed on anything dead or dying. Fungi can also be parasites, where they feed off a living host. Ophiocordyceps takes over an ant's head and tells it to go to a hospitable environment for the fungus. Then it sprouts through the head of the ant and reproduces. In mutualistic relationships, fungi grow on plants and both are benefited. This is called mycorrhizae, and about 90% of plants form these relationships. The fruiting bodies of fungi are the mushrooms. Some are edible, while others are extremely toxic. Molds can be in many colors, and they appear fuzzy. The blue part of blue cheese is actually mold. Yeasts are the unicellular fungus that we know of from the process of fermentation. Bakers and brewers use it to make bread and beer. They use the fungus Saccharomyces. Yeast reproduce by the asexual process of budding. Fungi will produce in any way they can, however, and they can reproduce sexually or asexually. They usually just produce a mass amount of spores, so that way they can try and spread anywhere they can. Spores are single-walled cells, and any structure that produces spores is called sporangia. Fungi can cause many problems in humans. Any illness caused by a fungus is called mycosis, and this can be very difficult to treat because fungi are eukaryotes just like us, so the medicines that would destroy the fungi also destroy our cells. Ringworm and athlete's foot are examples, and so are yeast infections or thrush, which are caused by the fungus Candida. Fungus can also help us with medicine, though. Penicillin is an example of that. Fungi are very important to the ecosystems in our world, however. Thanks for watching.